Today, I will be showing you how to make a beaded bracelet. You will need some beads of your choice. Excuse my 2-year-old in the background. Some scissors, a beading needle, a bead board. I will be making a 19 centimeters bracelet. Stretchy string of your choice. Okay, let's begin. First, you want to line your beads on the board size that matches your wrist size. I used 24 8mm beads. I'm going to speed up a little. Once all your beads are on the board, then you will add the beads to the needle, just like this.
Oh, you are you, baby?
Quên nào nào. Quên nào nào.
Now hook the string onto the beading needle and drop the bead on the string. Just like this. I forgot to more beads. Now you can tie your string. I tie at least 5 times for security. Tuck the knot into one of the beads. And voila, your beaded bracelet. Thank you for watching Trinity Treasure Box. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.